I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming you have administrator privileges and copying any important files off the pen drive. Decryption is not risk-free. Once done, insert and unlock the USB and note its drive letter, for example E. Now decide whether to use the control panel's BitLocker interface for simplicity or the command line for speed. Both work. I'll show both. First the UI path, then the precise command you can paste into an elevated prompt to begin removing BitLocker. On Windows, open Control Panel BitLocker Drive Encryption, find the removable drive and choose Turn off BitLocker. The system will decrypt in the background. If you prefer commands, open an elevated command prompt and run Manage BDE off E, then Manage BDE status E to monitor progress. Alternatively, in PowerShell run Disable BitLocker mount point E and watch the percentage complete. These methods do the same job. Choose the one you find easiest and make sure the PC stays powered until decryption finishes. When the status reads 100%, safely eject the pen drive and verify files open normally. That completes removal. If decryption stalls, make sure the cable and port are good, try a different computer and avoid interrupting power, then rerun Manage BDE status. For file system errors, run chkdsk/f on the drive. If you are prompted for a recovery key, retrieve the 48-digit key from your Microsoft account or your IT backup. Without it, you cannot decrypt the drive, so keep that key secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.